Ako? May money bills? Okay. Alright, so this time, lahat po tayo dito kasali. Mapalolo, lola, ate, kuya, tita, tito, mami, daddy, especially kids, kailangan kasali rin kayo. Alright, so this time, my second partner games is tinatawag kong question and answer. Ito, napakadali lang neto. Miss Kikinder, alam na alam to. Alright, ulitin ko. Miss Kikinder, alam na alam to. Dito po, bawal po tayo magsalita. Kailangan lang nakataas ang ating kanang kamay. Lahat po tayo dito kasali. Alright, so this time, this is the prizes. Alright, so makinig. Kids and adults. Ilan ang 9? Uulitin ko. Ilan ang 9 sa 1 to 100 or how many 9 to 1 to 100? Kids and adults. Pwedeng sumagot. Taas po ang kamay. Yes, kuya. Isang daang. Isang daan, it's wrong. Alright, so kids and adults, pwede po tayong sumagot. Once again, how many 9 to 1 to 100? Just raise your hands. Sino? Yes, kuya. 11. Alright. Mali yun. 11. It's wrong. Yes, ate. 10. Dapat, kuya, nagkulang ka. Nagsobra ka ng isa. Mali pa rin yan. Alright, mali. Alright, so once again, how many 9 to 1 to 100? Just raise your hands. Alright, wala pa rin. Dadagdagan pa ng another prize. Alright, another prizes. Once again, how many 9 to 1 to 100? Just raise your hands. Yes. Yes, ate. 9. Alright, halika dito ate. Ang galing naman eh ate. Mukhang malaki yung pangangailangan. Alright, 9 is wrong. Ayan. 9 is wrong. Alright, so walang nakakaalam. Magbibigay ako ng clue. My first clue is 5 above or sa Tagalog, 5 pataas. Alright, so once again, how many 9? To 1 to 100. Just raise your hand. Yes, kuya. Very good. 19. Ayan, halika kuya. Mukhang may binag ka kasi may patong ka sa ulo, no? Alright, 19. Ang galing naman ni kuya, no? Napakagaling mo. Mali pa rin yung 19. Ayan, sayang naman. Wala pa rin nakakaalam. Ulitin ko.